Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2015 Mazda 2 SEL. This car comes with the 1.5 petrol engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, returning up to 58 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 15 and this is a one owner vehicle with a very low mileage of just over 17,000 miles and comes with a good service history. This particular colour is the metallic deep crystal blue and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've got the nice clean interior. There's also two cup holders there for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen in the centre for your satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And then a few other features like I mentioned. The car also has air conditioning as well as cruise control there on the right hand side of the steering wheel. And on the driver's door card, you have your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls. As we open the rear doors, for a small hatchback, you've got a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back. And also the rear bench has 3 individual seat belts. And opening the tailgate reveals a good sized boot, nice and deep with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you also have your tyre inflator kit as well as a bit of extra storage. Externally, the car comes with front fog lights as well as the 15-inch alloy wheels. And then the car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. Number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.